In this lesson, you will create shaft openings for the interior stairs and for the skylights that will be installed on the roof of the structure. You will cut these openings in the slab on level 2 and then copy them to the remaining levels in a future lesson. Click the menu browser and select Open. Then open the file rstmdl-op01 Add Openings slab. Open the 02 structural plan view and let's change the view visibility. Click the View tab and from the Graphics panel, click Visibility Graphics. On the Visibility Graphics Overrides dialog, click the Imported Categories tab and under Visibility, click the checkbox for Technical School and click OK. Let's set the opening properties. Zoom in around the stairs located between grid lines G and H. Then click the Modify tab and on the Opening panel, click Shaft. Then on the Element panel, click Shaft Opening Properties. In the Instance Properties dialog, under Constraints, for Base Constraint, select 02 Floor, and for Top Constraint, select Up to Level Roof, and click OK. These settings will ensure that the shaft opening extends through the roof of the structure without penetrating the foundation slab that will be added in a future lesson. Let's create the first shaft opening. From the Draw panel, click Rectangle and trace the outline for the interior stairs. Next, we'll add some symbolic lines to identify the shaft opening in all related documentation. From the Draw panel, click Symbolic Lines. Then, on the Options bar, clear Chain and draw two lines that connect the opposite corners of the shaft opening. Then, from the Shaft Opening panel, click Finish Opening. The shaft opening displays as an X created by the symbolic lines. Next, we'll copy the shaft opening. Select the symbolic lines for the shaft opening, and from the Modify panel, click Copy, and on the Options bar, select Multiple. Then click the center point of the first shaft opening. Then zoom out a little bit so you can see grid lines E and F1. Then click the center point for the opening for the stairs located between grid lines E and F1. Then click the center point of the opening for the stairs located between grid lines C and D1. Then press Escape and let's view the openings in 3D. In the project browser, under 3D Views, double-click 3D. Then close the file without saving it, as the next lesson will provide its own training file. And that concludes this lesson.